Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB-Tex interior. Panel sunroof. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set at all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Premium 1 package, which comes with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone and integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Burl walnut trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA 250 has 42,079 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.